Hi, my name is Behdad and I'm a physiotherapist here at BJC Health, and I'm here today to talk about icing, when to do it, and for how long. The simple answer is that you can ice anytime you're experiencing pain, whether it be acute or chronic. Because of its numbing quality, ice is a really simple and effective tool at minimizing and controlling pain. When you do ice, you should experience a gradual increase in coldness, followed by a brief period of discomfort, and then some numbness in that area. I would immediately stop icing if that discomfort became severe or if you started experiencing pain, because you could be at risk of getting a cold burn. I recommend icing for 20 minutes on and 20 minutes off for about an hour. I'd advise against icing in general if you have impaired circulation, pre-existing numbness, or just an overall hypersensitivity to cold. I hope you can start using ice to manage your pain and really get back to doing everything that you love doing.